There you go.
Hi everybody, I'm back. Sorry for the overheating of the camera. Don't know what happened there, but it did overheat. So okay, everyone has a Stamparatus, right? Well, everyone should have a Stamparatus. Stamping, it's the best stamping tool out there. That's made by Stampin' Up. There are a lot of stamping tools. This one is awesome. It has two plates. They're both removable, and you can switch them around. You can get and have, you know, one stamp here, one stamp here, one stamp here, one stamp here, or like I've done before, I have two stamps on one side. I have one here, and one here, and I'll stamp and then just move it down so that I can stamp the other one. There are many ways to use this. You can buy extra plates, and you can't store it like this. You see this one, you have to take it out and just put it here. This is after a class, and you see it's all dirty. Then you have this piece of foam here. That's for when you're using the photopolymer. And then this is a new product that just came out. It's the grid paper for the Stamparatus. And I think, yep, that's what I'm using here, the grid paper. It helps when I'm conducting a class. I'll tell them where to place the cardstock, and then the stamp is already mounted, and they can just stamp it in the right position. So you have this great thing. You want to take it to a friend's house because you're going to be stamping together. You don't want to lose the pieces. Ta-da! You have a Stamparatus case. It has a pocket in the front. This is the first time I'm opening it. Obviously, I didn't even see this over there. I saw the other bag, which I'm going to show you. So it has a pocket in the front, Stampin' Up logo. The back, there's nothing. You unzip it. Ooh, okay. You unzip it, and it has a shoulder strap. So if you want to put the shoulder strap on there, then it has pockets here, pockets here. So I guess this is where the Stamparatus goes, where the main thing goes. So let's try it out with one plate because you can't put both of them on. Let me do it this way so you can get, yep. So this is where your Stamparatus goes. There's any, no. And then these pockets here have to be for this stuff here. So let's put this in the back because it's bigger. And I guess for the extra paper here. So you have that stuff here, nice, oh, everything fits nicely. And I guess just extra here, zip it up. And you can carry it like this, or you can add the shoulder straps here. So it has one here, you hook it up here and here. Really nice. So this is a great addition to your Stamparatus, and this will be available in the Occasions catalog. I think, gosh, I'm gonna have to look it up. Hold on. Do I have the catalog here? I can't show it to you in the catalog, but where did I put it? Oh, here it is. Hold on. This is the new catalog, the Occasions catalog. Hey. I can't show you the inside. I'm not allowed to. So off camera, I'm gonna look for it. And I'm going to tell you how much it is. I want to say $30, but I could be totally off the mark, and I don't want to be. And this catalog is 40-something pages. I'm thumbing through it as quickly as possible. Bear with me.
You're pushing it into the frame, Mums.
Oops, sorry. Look, let them see the case.
The case? There
Yes.
you go.
Oh. Silly child.
I will have you know I'm a full-grown adult.
Actually, it is not in the, I need to make a correction. It's not in the catalog. I think it's available for purchase on December 1st for customers. So I'll get that information to you and post it later on. But look how awesome. Protects your Stamparatus, and now you can take it traveling with you. So that's that. Before I go to the next piece, this is what I made out of these things here. So what I did was I went to the Ace Hardwood store. I got these cabinet pulls, And I cut designer series paper. This is from last year, designer series paper that we had. So this you can't purchase it now, but you can put any designer series paper here, and I will post in a video or just my blog. I'll post the measurements for the designer series paper and how to make this. And like I said, I'm going to make a toolkit and just put stuff in there. This is a muslin bag. This is what I gave my downline when they went to on stage. I gave them a muslin bag, and it's full of the water bottle drink mixes. I gave them a file to file the cards. We used to have one in Stamping Up. We don't have it anymore. I gave them a ribbon for their ID badge. You can put ribbons on the end of it, and this is with obviously the team logo, Stamping All Night Long, and some raisins just to keep the protein and energy up. So I'm going to make some of these as a starter kit. So if anyone wants them, let me know, because it's a good gift to give someone that's the crafter that's starting. And if you let me know ahead of time, I can probably put their initial here. So this is really cute. You can take that around like that. So just wanted to show that. Okay, this is the big reveal here.
All right. Hopefully not a repeat of last time.
Hopefully it won't, so I've got to be quick. Okay, for anyone who signs up as a demonstrator, I was able to purchase this, number one. I was able to purchase this right now. So any demonstrator can purchase this bag. It's a nice tote bag that you can fit a lot of stuff. What I'm going to do is try putting the stuff that I got here and put it in here so you can see how versatile it is. So any demonstrator now can get this tote bag, but it's not available. Hold on a second. I have a visitor. I'm on Facebook Live. Come on in. So for any demonstrator, anyone who's a demonstrator right now, it has the shoulder straps also. You can purchase this in December. But it's not available for customers. The only way a customer can get it, and these are just dividers. I'm not going to put this in here now. I'll probably make a video with this, but these are dividers to go in here. So anyone that's my niece. She makes tons of videos, so she's helping with the lighting. So anyone who becomes a demonstrator from January 3rd through December 31st, you know we have the sign up $99, you get $125 worth of product. Well, for a celebration, they always have something special. So for $99, instead of getting $125, you would get, where's the celebration catalog? And I can't show you that, but I can look up the information. You would get an extra $50 worth of product. So for $99, you would get 120. I can't see it here. I'm going blind. No, they can't see it. Oh, I thought my niece was showing it. So it's not here. Bear with me. Here it is, option one. For $99, you get $175 worth of Stampin' Up! Products, just for $99. So that means you get $76 free of products. Then if you have then they have option two. For $129, you get $175 worth of product, and you get the bag. Oh. Ta-da! And you see these big pockets here, these deep pockets. They're for anything you want, but you can fit punches in there. And I have a pile of stuff here, and I can't find one single punch. But anyway, it's big enough to fit punches. So you can fit a punch here, punch here. It has this long zipper here on the side where you can put, I guess, cardstock or whatever. Nice pouches in here. You see this Velcro over here? This is so that you can divide this in different ways. I'm not going to do this now because it'll take forever. And on the other side, it has more pockets. And it's really deep and versatile. So, and it has a shoulder strap also. You can hold it here. And look at this cute tag. this vinyl tag. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? It's with the new theme that Stamping Up has, that flower tag. So let me know. Join my team. I have a bunch of team members. They're an awesome team. I hold team meetings once a month. If you want to do this just to be what's called a hobby demonstrator, where you just want the discount and you just purchase products to stay active to get the discount, I welcome you. If you want to earn some extra money and you want to not have to pay for your stamps and all the products, so you'll make enough money so that you don't have to do this. Or if you want to make a business out of this, I will coach you and train you on anything that you need. I love helping my downline. I love helping my team. Everyone's very close together. We're a great team. We have fun together. So that's in January 3rd. From January 3rd through March 31st, contact me and I'll get you hooked up. And you don't have to be local to be a team member. You can be from anywhere in the United States. I will still support you. I'll do Facebook Lives, or FaceTimes, or whatever we need to do. You can call me, text me. My team members can tell you that they call me and text me at all hours of the day and night. I'm a night owl, so I go to bed very late, usually anywhere between 1 and 2 o'clock in the morning. So I have team members texting me at 11 p.m., even midnight, and that's fine. And I will help you, so you don't even have to be local. Don't worry, I always take care of my team members. And I guess this is it for now. So I hope you like the unboxing of the new Occasions catalog and Celebration catalog. And as soon as they're ready, if you're not on my mailing list, if you've never received a catalog from me before, contact me, get on my mailing list, email me, PM me, whatever, and I will send you a catalog. I'll get you on my mailing list. If you're on my mailing list and you have received catalogs from me before, don't worry, you'll get them automatically. So don't delay and make sure that you get them. They're absolutely free, and if you don't have an annual catalog, let me know, because then in addition to sending those two catalogs, I will also send you an annual catalog. What else? Share this video. If you share this video, I don't have it here, of course. Okay, if you share the video, you know the Muslim, found it, bear with me. Keep looking at the bag. If you share the video, I will send you one of these muslin bags, not full of stuff because I've got to mail it, but one of the Stamping Up muslin bags, also with 1 or 2 hand stamp cards by me. And I won't fill them out inside, so they're cards that you can go and pay it forward and send it to somebody else. And they'll say, oh, what beautiful card, did you make it? And you can say, no, but I will be making them. Those of you who are local and come to my classes, don't forget to sign up. My next class is Stamp-A-Stack. I have a shadow box class full, totally full, so sorry, but I am selling the kits. Contact me, PM me if you want information about that. Now, my next home class is a Stamp-A-Stack, if I'm not mistaken, and it's here in my home in East Orlando. I will be using these new products here. So if you want to get your hands on these products, just come to my class and you can get your hands on them before anybody else. They're not available to purchase until January 3rd. So the other people have to wait a while. And then you can see these bags in person. And what else? So like this video, share it. And hope you had a good time watching me unbox this. Take care. This is Wanda Smith from Stamping All Night Long, Jared Smith on the camera, and my niece Michelle with the lighting. So have a good evening, everybody. Bye for now.
Bye-bye.